I don't have a specific reaction to their decision not to take, not to grant review in these cases. The president himself has previously expressed his own personal view that it's wrong to prevent same-sex couples who are in loving, committed relationships and want to marry from doing so. A growing majority of Americans already recognize that marriage equality embodies our American values of fairness under the law. It's certainly the president's view here, too.
I think it's a huge win for the folks in those 5 states, and very soon for the 6 other states that are covered by those circuits. But we also know that there are still millions of Americans that are not affected by this decision, that still are vulnerable because they lack access to civil marriage equality.
There's bad news and good news in this decision. The bad news from our perspective is that these states have been denied the opportunity to defend their marriage laws in the highest court in the land. The good news is that the Supreme Court does not seem to be as eager to issue a sweeping ruling redefining marriage as many observers seem to think they were.
This is the outcome that we have hoped for. It is the outcome we have fought for, and it is the outcome that the Constitution requires. Today's decision will change the lives of thousands of loving couples, their children, and their families in a positive and transformative way.
Equality is finally recognized, that this is no longer a state in which some people are equal and some people aren't. We're not living in 1984 anymore.
Feels great. This is something that a lot of people have worked for a long time. Really, it feels quick here in the end, but there are generations of people and suffering and pain that preceded this. A lot of people who deserve a lot of credit for being open and honest with who they are, and a lot of people on the other end who deserve a lot of credit for listening and learning and loving those people, those of us.
For 2 decades, I have been performing ceremonies of union for couples who have come to me, and I have not been able to sign their licenses. And today, I hope I can sign a license issued by the Commonwealth of Virginia, which authorized me to perform marriages, but I have not yet been able to do this for a same-gender couple, and I am just thrilled today. Dearly beloved, we have gathered together to join this woman and this woman in the holy state of matrimony. You are joined in marriage as wife and wife. You may kiss your bride.
You don't have to worry about that. I'll just have to Google our video later and save it.
My signature. Reverend Dr.